Hello learners, join our adventure, ignite your creativity. A world full of magic, an unforgettable girl. Lost glass shoes, midnight mysteries. An unforgettable ball, a pumpkin transformed into a royal carriage. Blessings of very good mothers and a remarkable transformation, and a destiny that changed everything. Did the descriptions you heard make any sense? Yes or no? Maybe no. No worries. It's all about Cinderella, a creative piece of story and an amazing plot to admire. We read stories for many reasons, and some of them are to be entertained, to relax ourselves, to explore through adventures, and many more. And that's about reading stories. What about writing stories then? Writing stories is like creating little world of words where your imagination brings characters and places to life. Yes, writing stories is truly enjoyable. So, shall we start writing a story? And for that, we need to focus on how to write a story. Here are the steps to follow when writing a story. Step 1. Imagine you are the creator of a thrilling adventure. You need to start by introducing your main character, someone your audience can root for, someone they care about. Step 2. Next, throw a problem their way, something that keeps your audience hooked, wondering how it'll all turn out. Step 3. Now it's time to be their guide, their storyteller. You need to provide a solution to the problem. But don't make it too easy. Step 4. That's where the twist comes in, at a surprising turn of events that keeps your audience on the edge of their seats. Step 5. Finally, bring it all home with the final solution, the resolution to the problem you presented. These steps are your compass through the vast sea of storytelling, helping you craft tales that captivate and inspire. As we've just learned our storytelling steps, now let's write a story. Step 1. We start by creating our main character. And in our story, we have a very kind princess named Tulip. She's the heart of our tale, and you can imagine what she looks like and how she behaves. Step 2. Now, every story needs a problem, right? In our story, there's a big issue. A drought has destroyed the royal garden of the kingdom. The garden is usually a source of joy and food for the people, so it's a huge problem. Step 3. Our creative minds come up with a solution. There's a magical place called Blue Lake hidden deep inside the forest. If someone can bring some water drops and sprinkle it over the garden from that lake, the drought will vanish instantly. Step 4. But here's the twist. When Princess Tulip sets out to find the Blue Lake, she encounters a spirit in the forest. This spirit has done black magic and vanished the lake. Things just got more complicated. Step 5. But don't worry, our kind Princess Tulip doesn't give up. She uses her kind words of determination to defeat the spirit. Find the Blue Lake, buy some water, sprinkle it over the garden, and stop the drought. our story has a happy ending because of her courage and kindness. So, these are the steps we can follow to write a story. Now, let's move on to the next part of our story writing journey. What if the first sentence of the story is given and the question asks you to write the rest? This is a little tricky. The first sentence is already given to you, so you need to follow the steps I taught you earlier when writing this story. The opening sentence is, once upon a time, a very kind princess named Tulip used to live in a big castle. She had a fruitful garden with all sorts of fruits and vegetables. But one day, now I've provided you with the initial sentence to start your story. However, I'd like to show you a sample story I've crafted using the same opening. Feel free to pause the video now and take a screenshot to have the sample story as your guide. Bravo, my writers! The world of imagination awaits, and it's your canvas to paint. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Dive into your first story right here, and remember to share it in the comment section below. Your tales are like treasures, and I can't wait to explore them. So let's embark on this grand adventure together. Begin your journey and let the stories flow. Happy writing! Thank you for watching. With heartfelt gratitude for your time and curiosity, I tip my hat to your learning spirit. Until we cross paths again, happy writing, and remember, your creativity knows no bounds.